Okay, this video is about one of the simplest jobs, or what should be one of the simplest jobs going for a do-it-yourselfer. That's changing your wiper blades. On this particular car, it's not as easy as you think, though. There's an '05 Buick LaCrosse. I'm sure there's other makes and models that are similar. They have the wipers that go down kind of below the hood, so you can't lift them off. You can't lift them up down in this position. And to change the blades without being able to lift them, that is almost impossible. I tried lifting the hood and doing it underneath. Nope. I even tried taking the arms off by undoing the nut, and they were like stuck on, so I gave up on that. I did try to turn the wipers on to get them to come up and then shut the car off to get them to stop up here, and I even had trouble doing that. I'm like, what kind of car is this? You can't get the wipers up here. Now here's the lesson, which I'm going to try to show. When you put your wipers on, you can put them on intermittent, or you can put them on all the way. Now, I'm not turning the motor on, but I turned on the electric. I'll put them on intermittent. Okay, they're going to go. There we go again. Oh, next time they go, I'm going to shut the key off. I shut the key off. They just went down again. That's not good. Let's turn it on again. They go up. I turn the key off. They go down again. So you can't get these wipers to stay up. You can't change those wiper blades. If you turn the wiper beyond the intermittent up to low, where it's all the way, where it's going to be on constantly, watch this. Now they're going constantly, and I turn the key off, they stop. And now you can change the wiper blades like any other car. Very simple. But if you don't know that, and you just try intermittent, hey, wait, that time it stopped. No, that time it didn't. They're on, the key is off, they go back down again. See, they won't go on again because the key's off. Once the key's on, they go on, and you can't get them to stop. Put it on to where they're on constantly. Put the key on, they go on. Take the key off, they stop. Just a weird little thing, and the owner's manual doesn't mention it. I read the owner's manual. I looked on the computer. I checked YouTube. I couldn't find the solution. Thus, I'm making the video myself. So it's kind of a funny one, but if this helps you, if you search for this problem and this video helps you, just give me a thumbs up, or just write a comment. Say, yeah, same problem. Kind of a small world, right? So it may happen.